Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to my dear boys, and I'm welcoming to my online class. I'm going to take my class from my home. So after Eid vacation, this is the first class of class 10, and I am your Tamal Ahmed sir, and like the other days, I am going to take your English first paper class, and I am very much concerned about your progress, so that I have made some important topic that can help you in your coming exams. So first of all, after a long time, I hope you are well and spend a very good time with your family members. And during COVID-19 situation, we are passing a very odd and unwelcoming situation. So that this is a this is very important that you just pick one of your important subject and make a routine and answer and prepare your lessons accordingly. Okay, so that's why I am just giving you some techniques and ideas, and sometimes I try to make and try to reorganize your first paper questions and important topics, so that I just pick some important important way which you can follow, and by following this way, you can easily achieve your good marks. Okay, so that please for that you have to follow my class, and I know you are following, and most of the students are following, and with the help of this with the help of this technology, we can easily trace and easily find out who are following and who are not following my classes. Okay, so be careful, and hope we will meet each other very soon. And so that's why it is very important to follow my classes, and those who don't follow my classes yet, please follow my previous classes. At least last 15 classes you have to follow. Okay, so you can easily find these my classes in my page. So my dear students, please, I remember you I repeat once again that please 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 you just follow the classes. So at the very beginning, I am again welcoming you, and I am taking my classes from my home. So let's start, my boys. Today I am going to take your English first paper class like the other days, and attention for the that you can easily notice that today I am going to discuss on question number 8, paragraph writing, and you can see question number 9, story writing, question number 10, craft writing, question number 10, 11, informal letter, 12, dialogue writing, and these are the topics of my coming classes. So my dear boys, today this is Tomal Ahmed sir, and I am going to discuss on question number 8, that is paragraph writing. Yes, you have to answer a situational paragraph, or the methodological paragraph, and you can easily find some important topics in your EFT book, and these all paragraph are very much related to the EFT book sometimes, and the you can easily find out the relationship between the question of a paragraph and the EFT book, because in a school you can easily the topics, some are that is renewable energy or greenhouse effect, or that is all about the global warming. That is you can easily you find air pollution, or water pollution, soil pollution, etc., etc. So all these paragraphs are very important. It is very correlated with each other. So and question number 8, that is where you have to remember that you can easily use 150 to 180 words by answering 5 to 6 questions. You have 5 to 6 question, and by answering this question you can easily construct a very nice paragraph. So the topic, and important topic, important paragraph for SSC 2021. And I'm in my upcoming classes I will provide the another important one, but for today it is very important as per my concern. That is a school magazine, a book, and second one is a book fair you have recently visited, and uses and abuses of using mobile phone, and air pollution, and then winter morning, environment pollution, traffic jam, and green energy. That is renewable energy. Okay, so before any sorts of exam, you just read and have a nice idea on this particular topics. So before writing these instructions, you have to you have to use a new fresh page to start this paragraph. So before starting the paragraph, you have to concern about your presentation. So in your presentation, you just use a fresh page, and you can start this paragraph from a new page. And don't second thing is, don't repeat any source of information related to the topic. Don't repeat. Okay, so if you have already provided the meaning of the topic, don't try to write another meaning of this topic. So this is very much annoying and irritating for the examiner, so that don't repeat the any source of information. Third one is, the first line should be the topic line. Yes, most of the students cannot follow that the topic line. We can easily get the information. We easily notice that the student are try to explain and try to focus the very important line having with using that topic word. That is the topic line. That is environment pollution or the traffic jam. So you can easily start traffic jam is but traffic jam means or the environment pollution is that it is called something like that. So the first line should be the topic line, and the fourth important instruction is that your answer should be informative. Yes, the topic should be informative. And last one, please try to answer the following question accordingly. Okay, so these are the instruction, and you can easily get this. And now we are going to answer, and you can find in your exam copy that this sorts of question I have mentioned yet, that you are provided the particular question, that is today answer the question to write a paragraph the school magazine, and you should write about 1 to 80 words with this. So, and first question, what is a school magazine? If you answer this question, the most of the part, the meaning of the question should be written in your first 2 or 3 lines. Okay, so it is the examiner easily get informed, get involved and get informed the topic line and the topic one. What is the topic about? What the students are try to explain. And number B, what does it contain? It remains, or it carries what? what in it's information or something else, or the presentation or something else, or the explanation or something else. What it is actually, the answer of what does it contain. And number C, how are the topics for the magazine selected? So who are related to these topics? Okay, the students, the teachers, the committee, and what are their activities. It is shown, it is stated by answering this question. Next one, what does the student feel when he or she finds his or her writing in print? So it is very desirable moment that when a student get informed or find that their or her or his writing or in print, in print media, that is magazine. And he can easily overwhelmed with joy that my it is invention or something like that, my contribution to the magazine, to the school, or my that is my talent has been shown in this criteria. Okay, so it is very important and desirable moment for the examinee, for the students. And last one, why is a school magazine important? If you can answer this question, and it is the vital part of this paragraph. And this particular question contains the 50% information of this paragraph or the topic. So my dear students, you will have, you'll notified, and you'll be notified that you'll have particular question, and if you answer this question accordingly, a paragraph easily to be constructed. Okay, so this is the very important line. And my dear boys, you are asked to answer and write this paragraph and send this to my WhatsApp number, and you try to answer not more than 200 words. Okay, so that's why I have mentioned 180 words. So please be concentrate and attention, and to be attentive to your classes and your coming projects or exams. So my dear boys, Allah Hafiz for today, and wishing you all the best. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.